Hey, it's Anti-Jaber from the Vex Forum, and today I'm going to talk about something that I made for my welding class. So, currently, we are working on horizontal welding, where instead of welding on something that's like this on the ground, it's like on the wall like this. You have to hold something up, like an oxyacetylene torch, which weighs about a kilogram, for about 2 or 3 minutes as you very slowly weld across the 6 inches on this small project that we're doing. And that makes my arm very tired and painful. So I decided, let's make an exoskeleton. So it's a work in progress right now, as you can see. But it shows the proof of concept. So these rubber bands here are pulling my arm up constantly. And I can move my arm up all the way. And I can show you, if I move over to here, that I have a full range of motion in my arm. Mostly. It restricts a little bit, but it works pretty dang well for slapping it together in like 4 hours. And yeah, so if I just let my arm stay limp, it sort of stays there. If I give it a little tap, it does that. It's very weird having your arm feel less heavy than it actually is. But that's what's happening. And what I'm going to be doing soon is implementing a system that'll have some sort of pulley on here that will have a potentiometer on there as well to detect the position. And then it will, as my arm moves up, it will basically, if this is like the mounting point, imagine it's down here. As my arm moves up, it'll move that up as well. So that way the amount of the amount of force moving my arm up is constant. So I don't get this thing where around here I don't get any effect at all pretty much. But here I get a lot. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.